So, ma-check na naman kami na bahay today. Same community siya sa pinuntahan natin kahapon. Pero ibang bahay. Mas malaki ata to based sa picture sa FB na nakita ko. Marami sa inyo guys ang nagsabi na bakit hindi na lang kayo mag-rent to own. Mas makakatipid kayo tapos sa inyo pa yung bahay. Kakarating lang namin sa Pilipinas guys. Let's take it slow. Open kami sa mga options. Alam namin mas makakatipid kung rent to own. Pero marami tayong mga pag-iisipan pa. So, dahan-dahan muna, di ba? He said he's waiting at the gate, Daddy.
Maybe he's the one.
Maybe.
Just call him and message him we are here.
Yan sila. Sinusundan namin. Yung green van.
Yesterday we went to Barbados, today we went to something else.
Hinahanap na namin yung bahay. Yung kahapon kasi medyo luma na siya sa loob. Ito ata parang mga new unit, right? Today? Seems like.
Yeah.
This will be the living room. So, 1 CR lang niya siya, ma'am.
Okay.
Pag na yan ang ano, ma'am. Po lahat. So, pull out bed.
Oh, okay. Nice. Then, naa siya
Na siya cabinet.
cabinets.
And kanisa, na siya second bedroom.
Okay.
They also mentioned.
It's good, right, Daddy?
Good, good. Everything is good actually.
How about you, Ryan? What can you say? Nag-decide na siya. Check namin yung mga amenities nila, guys. Mukhang may nahanap na tayong bahay, guys. Gusto namin siya, pero let's see, pag-isipan nating maigi. Now, ang pupuntahan namin is yung public library. It's actually 30 minutes away, pero nag-travel na kami ng around 18 minutes, so paparating na kami. Gustong-gusto ni Ryan na magbasa ng libro. So excited siya. Nana?
Yeah.
Choose what books you like. Okay?
Yeah. Some of the books we have to pay, but we can actually like take it home for like 1 or 2 days.
Yeah. This is where my graduation happened, Daddy Ram. And Ryan. My nursing graduation. 2 minutes away na kami.
Oh, that is the one?
Yeah, I think so.
Park.
City Library.
This one.
Huh?
Showing this side, no? This is the one.
No, this is City Library, it says.
Where is the parking?
That we need to figure out. Ang layo ng na-parkingan namin, guys. Lakad-lakad kami. Ayan, dito na kami. What's your name, Mama? Ryan. Space. Sana. You want full name? It's okay, you can just put Sana on. Oh, okay. Put spell now, okay. You wanna check out some books? You can go.
See later. Nothing in particular.
This is about human body. There's different selection on it. You want 3?
Yeah, I only read 1 and 2. I can't read 3.
Take them. what he wants. Look at him, so cute. He's so happy. What is that? It's a game? Oh, a puzzle. It's a puzzle. Ito na yung natapos ni Ryan, guys. Until 75 page. 40 minutes na kami dito. Sige. Daddy, there's coffee shop below.
I know.
Ayaw tumigil. Gusto niya ubusin at basahin ang buong libro.
I order ice latte for you.
Nice place, right? They even have books here also.
Yeah, that way everywhere.
Yeah. Thank you. Coffee time. Pumangit yung kape ni Daddy Ram, guys. Kasi may biglang dumaan sa harap niya. So, nagalaw. What's yours?
Mine is mocha.
Mocha. Mine is cappuccino. Huh?
Latte.
Latte.
You always complain for a hot burger, hot cold burger.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Is it?
It's bitter.
Coffee should be bitter, okay? Everything it is sweet, then what? Eat sugar only.
I want sugar, more sugar.
Yeah.
It's okay. You finished already. You finished already your coffee. How is it?
Good.
Finally, guys, natapos din kami. Almost 3 hours kami doon sa library. Grabe si Ryan. Muntik na talaga maubos ang isang libro. How many pages left, Ryan?
I don't know. I need
It's
to
not much, 20-30 pages.
Nag-close na sila kasi it's already 5 o'clock. So we need to go. Pero gusto talagang tapusin ni Ryan yung libro na binabasa niya. How is it, Nana?
It's okay, but I think there's more than 20 or 30
Pages?
because it total has 216 pages, and I think I'm at page 186. 186.
Okay. Then where are we going, Daddy Ram?
On the way home, just go to SM Lana, you will see. We need to get some card reader, right? To check it out.
Yeah. Kasi yung aking SD card reader, guys, nasira siya kahapon. Hindi na niya nire-read yung ng aking GoPro.
You can get
SD
some chicken
card.
also.
Yeah, oo nga pala. Gusto mo bumili ng chicken ni Daddy Ram. Kasi magluluto kami ng tandoori chicken or chicken curry ulit. And we'll see kung ano pa yung pwede naming mabili para makapagluto tayo. Ito pala yung Rojas Night Market.
Welcome, welcome.
Gusto namin pumunta dito. Bukas siguro. Dito ako nakatira dati sa may Rojas. Bring back memories. Ito na kami sa SM Lanang, guys. Parang may celebrity na darating. Kasi tingnan niya sila. Dito ba nang gano'n? Makichismis tayo. Si Ryan, nakichismis din. Wala naman, wala. I don't know. Let's go check the bread talk. Bili na kami ng raisin bread, guys. Kasi last time, hindi siya available. Okay. Celebrity Ram sana. Sana family vlogs. Yung celebrity nila hindi pa dumarating. Nakabili na kami ng bread. Punta kami dito sa SM Supermarket.
I'll surprise. One of them recognizing me.
May nakita naman kaming isang subscriber. At dalawa pala sila mag-asawa. What's her name, Daddy?
Ellen Lau.
Ellen Lau. Oh. Yeah. And Gcash is better, Daddy. No need to carry coins. Nag-Gcash kami. Gusto ni Ryan ng notebook.
I guess it's like my drawing one.
Gusto niya mag-drawing. You want that one? How much? 20 pesos. Pen. Jumbo is better, but this one can fit jumbo. Rock salt, iodized salt, pink salt. My God, Ryan, look at that fish. So huge. So big, right? Dito kami guys nakabili ng skinless na chicken.
Yeah.
Kuya. Tawag siya kuya.
Yeah.
Dumating na ang artista. Sino ba ang artista? Sino ba? Sino ba yan? Si Nadine daw, guys. Hi guys, yung card reader na gusto ko, nahanap ko rin at last nandoon sa SM Lanang. Then of course bumili ulit ng raisin na bread, yung notebook nila yan kasi gusto nga niyang mag drawing. Ang problema, yung nakuha naming pencil, walang barcode. So, hindi namin nabili ang pencil. Ang nabili lang ay ang sharpener. Then, cheese whiz. Try ko kung magustuhan nila yan. Tapos, iodized salt and some eggs. Meron pa ba? Ay, volcan pala. Ito, tissue lang ito guys. Tapos, naubusin lang naman kami ng bread. So, bumili kami ng gardenia bread. Ako, mas bet ko itong gardenia bread kaysa doon sa isa. Mas marami pa. Then, green chilies. Brinjal. Some apples. And, ito na yung chicken. 2 kg ang binili ni Darren. I-unbox natin ito. Excited ako dito guys kasi first time ko na mag-order sa Shopee. Tapos may nakita kasi ako nakalagay 1 peso. So kinlik ko. 1 peso lang yung binayaran ko para dito. Kasi never pa ako naka-order ng Shopee. Sige, try natin. Ay, naku. Mag-work kaya ito. Wala. Nag-work naman siya. Maya, look at this.
What? What? Where did you
Mini
get that?
fan, 1 peso.
Where did you get that?
From Shopee. Talagang free delivery pa. Nakakatuwa. Oh, 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 oh.
Does it come from here or here?
Yeah. May charger pa. May stand pa.
Did you order this?
Yeah, 1 peso.
1 peso for that? And like,
Kaloka. Your notebook, then I'll give you pen first, okay?
for some time will use pen, after some time
Yeah,
I will
because
use pen.
yeah, you were not able to buy the pencil. Okay, you can draw.
Is this black?
Yeah. Give me that first. I need to remove this tip.
What?
See this one. See, there's a rubber.
That's a rubber.
Let's see. You can write now.
This is a black pen.
Yeah. Gusto ko na sana yung ano guys, villa. Pero ayaw niya. Nagustuhan niya yung lugar. Pero mas gusto niya talaga dito. Sa condo. Yung condo type yung gusto niya. Yung villa kasi may advantage, may disadvantage din. Di ba usually yung mga villa dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga banyo talaga nila nasa baba. Tapos yung 2 bedroom nasa taas, walang banyo. Hindi daw gaya dito na very accessible. Tapos kung condo naman kasi, maliit diba? Maganda yun eh kasi malaki. Ewan ko. Nag-iisipan pa namin. Pero sa totoo lang, kung yun yung aming pipiliin, mas makakatipid kami. Mas mahal pag condo. Same lang naman yung mga amenities nila, ganun. Then, isang problema pa ay napakalayo nung villa sa main gate. Tapos, mahirap din yung mahirap din mag-commute. Paano kung gagamitin nila mama yung sasakyan, di ba? Kailangan naming mag-commute. Yun yung aming pinag-iisipan pa. May pros and cons ang lahat. Kung dito naman sa condo, paglabas mo, pwede ka nang sumakay ng jeep agad. And basta, gusto niya dito. Kahit ibang condo, ayaw din niya. Gusto niya dito lang. May nakita na naman kaming mga unit dito. Yung iba maganda. Yung iba hindi masyadong maganda. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-extend dito kasi ito ay parang Airbnb ng kaibigan ng ate ko. So usually talaga ang mga nagre-rent dito, mga dailies or weeklies lang. Hindi long term like how many months, ganun, hindi. So hindi kami talaga pwedeng mag-permanent na mag-rent dito. So, naghahanap-hanap kami ng iba. We'll see guys. May oras pa naman tayong maghanap. Tsaka marami pang ganap ang mangyayari na sorpresa para sa inyo. Ryan, look! What happened? He said we can finish this one, but look at it. Diyos ko. Dulo na lang yung natira.
Yes, sir. You want we can take, sir.
Nagkukulito na naman. Kanina nainis ako. Dahil nagkukulit ang dalawa, damay pa ako.
don't know what she's saying.
Yeah, you don't know what I'm saying. I won't tell you what I'm saying. Right, Ryan?
Tell me what.
Secret.
This is what happening, guys. Both of them is like that today.
Give it to your dad. Say thank you very much, Daddy.
You all finish with good part and give me the bad part.
You finish that one.
The opposite around. The opposite
What
around.
happens it around? That's what you're telling. I'm waiting for that. You both finish it.
Oh, it's the opposite.
What are you watching, Daddy?
That's something random. Passing time with working.
Spider, something.
Madam Web.
Ryan, what is that? Huh? I want to eat the top part also. Right?
Sir Ryan.
But all the hard part, that's all left. Daddy, finish it. While watching TV and working, finish
Sir Ryan.
almost the whole bread. Sige na, shout out time na. Are you ready with your shout out, guys? Be ready, be ready.
That's all for today, guys. It's shout out time. Shout out to Rahenia, Patricia, Morer, Melody, Garcia.
And Cecilia Panting, Nora Jardine, Rio Chris Kanucho.
Bye, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye. See you, Lucas. Peace.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.